Hey guys, George from School Lunchbox. I'm with the Stuck On You crew, and today I'm going to show you one thing that I did last year every single Friday, and it's called Heritage Friday. Now what Heritage Friday is where I'd pick a country from anywhere in the world and I'd focus on their food. And in my daughter's bento for school for that particular day, I'd put a fun little fact sheet, I'll put the flag, and I'll put the food that they eat in that country. And that's my way of educating my girls, and obviously my daughters, about culture and food from around the world. So it's my way of making the world a little bit smaller. So let's do it. Today I'm doing Italia. So I've got the Italian flag, and I've got my bento ready to go. So what I'm doing is, this is my take on Italian food. Now, we know you can't have Italian food without having pasta, so I'm going to put in some pasta. Now remember, it's pretty much a pasta salad that I'm making. So it's pre-boiled pasta, and it's called penne. Now, you've got to have tomatoes, so I'm going to pop in some cherry tomatoes, my girl's favourite. So you can add as many or as little as you like. Oops. Now, also, I'm going to add a sprinkle of cheese, and also just a drop of extra virgin olive oil, just to soften it up. So how cool is that? Now, I'm going to show you this little creation that we do using simple wrap. Just cut it in quarters, or eighths, I should say. And I've got these little, effectively they're like pizza shaped. So I add a little bit of tomato paste, and I've got some bocconcini. And all I did was I just sprinkled or put some bocconcini on it, literally pop it in the oven for a couple of minutes under the grill, or you could even microwave them so you can zap them in. So these are my little pizza. Now you can't have Italian food without having pizza. So we love pizza, we know kids love pizza. So what I've got there is, I've got a couple of sources of carbs, good carbs for my girls. So we've got pizza and we've got some pasta. Can't go wrong. So basil is like the traditional herb in Italy. So I'm going to pick through a bunch of some basil leaves. I'm going to add a couple of tomatoes, or a few tomatoes, and also some cucumber, so that way they're getting the vegetable hits. Now my girls love basil. You can use any herb really, but sticking with the Italian theme, you just can't go wrong. There we go. And got to have grissini. Grissini is an Italian word for pretty much breadsticks, and these are rosemary and thyme flavored, so you can't go wrong. Delicious. And for some fruit, you can add some strawberries. I'll do some strawberries in here. Add some blueberries. Now, the best thing about this, you could also do some grapes. I might peel some grapes. Grapes, we all know the Italians use to make wine, and they make delicious wine. Allegedly, I've been told. So, here we go. Now, there's my Italian-inspired bento. And you could do any country you like. And remember, by using food from around the world, it's our way of educating our kids about the world. Enjoy. Thanks for watching, and guys, feel free to follow me on social media. I'm known as School Lunchbox, one word, on Instagram, or School Lunchbox AU on Facebook. And remember, like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe now.